Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To the topic on which we are going to discuss is Math 9, Unit 15, Pythagoras Theorem, Exercise 15, question number 4 and 6. Question number 4. In an isosceles triangles, the base BC is equal to 28 centimeter and ABAC is equal to 50 centimeter. If AD perpendicular BC, then find length of the AD and area of the triangle ABC. Part 1. The length of AD side. In right angle triangle ADC, where D is a right angle, by using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. It can also be written as B square is equal to S square plus X square by putting the value of B 50 centimeter. Firstly, we find the value of X. We know that side BC is equal to 28 centimeter. It can also be written as side BD plus DC is equal to 28 centimeter, which is equation number 1. In corresponding to triangles, triangle ADB and triangle ADC, each angle is 90. That's why angle ADB and angle ADC are equal. Opposite sides AB and AC of each 90 degree are also equal. And side AD is common in both the triangles. Then by hypotenuse side postulate, these two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle ADC, are congruent By using the CPCT rule, side BD is equal to side CD. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. When side CD is equal to side DC, then this equation becomes side BD is equal to side DC, which is equation number 2. On putting the equation 2 in equation 1, the equation 1 becomes side DC plus side DC is equal to 28 centimeter. The sum of these two sides is 2 DC dividing both sides by 2. The value of DC is equal to 14 centimeter. Square of 50 centimeter is equal to 2500 square centimeter, and the square of 14 centimeter is equal to 196 square centimeter. It can be also written as h square is equal to 2500 square centimeter minus 196 square centimeter. The difference of the 2500 and 196 is equal to 2304. Taking the square root on the both sides, the value of h is 48 centimeter, which is the required result. Part 2 of question number 4. Find the area of triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC is equal to base multiply altitude divided by 2, where base is 28 centimeter and altitude is 48 centimeter. So the area of triangle ABC is 672 square centimeter. Here we take part 1 of question 6. In the triangle ABC, as shown in the figure, measure angle ACD is equal to 90 and CD side perpendicular to the AB side. Find the lengths A, H and B if side BD is 5 centimeter and side AD is 7 centimeter. In triangle ACB, where angle C is right angle, by using the Pythagoras theorem, side AB square is equal to side AC square plus side CB square. It can also be written as C square is equal to B square plus A square. So putting the value of C, which is 12 centimeter, the square of 12 centimeter is 144 square centimeter. So equation 1 becomes A square plus B square is equal to 144 square centimeter. Again we take another triangle BDC, where angle D is a right angle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, side BC square is equal to side BD square plus side DC square. It can also be written as A square is equal to X square plus H square. So by putting the value of X, which is 5 centimeter, the square of 5 centimeter is 25 square centimeter. So the equation number 2 becomes A square minus H square is equal to 25 square centimeter. Again we take a triangle ADC where D is also right angle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, side AC square is equal to side AD square plus side DC square. It can also be written as B square is equal to Y square plus H square. By putting the value of Y, which is 7 centimeter, the square of 7 centimeter is equal to 49 square centimeter. So the equation 3 becomes B square minus H square is equal to 49 square centimeter. On subtracting equation number 2 and 3, into A square minus H square minus into B square minus H square is equal to into 25 square centimeter minus into 49 square centimeter minus 49 square centimeter plus 25 square centimeter is equal to minus 24 square centimeter. So A square minus H square minus B square plus H square is equal to minus 24 square centimeter. On cancellation, minus H plus H, then A square minus B square is equal to minus 24 square centimeter, which is equation 4. On adding the equation 1 and 4, into A square plus B square plus into A square minus B square is equal to 144 square centimeter plus into minus 24 square centimeter. So A square plus H square plus A square minus H square is equal to 144 square centimeter minus 24 square centimeter. The difference of the 144 square centimeter and 24 square centimeter is 120 square centimeter. On cancelling, h square minus h square. So 2a square is equal to 120 square centimeter. Dividing both sides by 2, a square is equal to 60 square centimeter. Taking the under root on the both side, a is equal to under root 60 centimeter, which is the value of a. We can get the value of b by putting the value of a in equation 1. A square plus b square is equal to 144 square centimeter. So 6 under root centimeter whole square plus b square is equal to 144 square centimeter. So the value of a square become 60 square centimeter. So b square is equal to 144 square centimeter minus 60 square centimeter. The difference of 144 square centimeter and 60 square centimeter is 84 square centimeter. Taking the under root on the both side, the value of b become 84 under root centimeter. At the last, we can find out the value of h by putting the value of a in equation number 2. A square minus h square is equal to 25 square centimeter. So the value of a under root 60 centimeter h square is equal to 60 centimeter minus 25 square centimeter. The difference of the 60 centimeter and 25 square centimeter is 35 square centimeter. Taking the under root on the both side, the value of h become 35 under root centimeter. Part 2 of question 6. Find the value of x in the shown figure. Firstly, here we use the triangle ADC, where angle C is right angle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, side AC square is equal to side AD square plus side DC square. It can also be written as B square is equal to H square plus Y square. On putting the value of B and Y, so the value of B is 13 centimeter and the value of Y is 5 centimeter. The square of 13 centimeter is 169 square centimeter and square of 5 centimeter is 25 square centimeter. It can also be written as SK is equal to 169 square centimeter minus 25 square centimeter. The difference of 169 square centimeter and 25 square centimeter is 144 square centimeter. Taking the under root on the both sides, the value of H is 12 centimeter. In another triangle ADC, where angle D is right angle, by using the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. It can also be written as C square is equal to H square plus X square. On putting the value of H and C, the value of C is 15 centimeter and value of H is 12 centimeter. The square of 15 centimeter is 225 square centimeter and square of 12 centimeter is 144 square centimeter. It can also be written as X square is equal to 225 square centimeter minus 144 square centimeter. The difference of 225 square centimeter and 144 square centimeter is 81 square centimeter. On taking the under root on the both sides, the value of X become 9 centimeter. Thanks for watching the video.